Hello all, I hope it's all going good. Today I'll share 3 books which moved me and left a humongous impact on me. All these 3 books were incredible. I wish everyone to read these books and witness the bliss which I felt. 3 books belongs to different genres. The first book is a fictional book, the second is an inspirational or motivational book, and the third book is based on real incident. So I'll share a compilation of 3 genres. The first book is a trilogy. It is a series of 3 books. The Immortals of Meluha by Amish. The book is followed by The Secret of Nagas and ends with the Oath of Vaiputras. This book is about the incarnation of Lord Shiva in the earthly form. Once you start reading this book, you will start picturize everything in your mind. This is such a sort of book, through the form of words, will display a movie in front of you. This book is absolutely good for the beginners, and this book will engage you and you will be more indulged in this book. You can read this book at any point of time besides our mood swings. It does not need a fresh mind, but instead when you read this book, this will refresh you for sure. And the second book is Robin Sharma's The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This book is a positive hug. You need to be fresh-minded while reading this book so that you can imbibe the phenomenal thoughts in this book. This is one of the best self-help book I have ever read. I assure you this book will make a phenomenal impact on you. Whenever you start feeling low in your life, you can replenish yourself by reading this book. I wish everyone to read this to find a better version of themselves. And the third book is Ready to Fire by Nambi Narayanan. This book is soon gonna be a movie starring actor Madhavan. This is a reality hitting on your face sort of book. This book speaks about the perseverance of the author. In this book, scientist Nambi Narayanan will explain you all the events about how he was framed in the ISRO spy case. And Nambi Narayanan was a colleague of APJ Abdul Kalam. The author explains how he overcame all the odds in the case and how he proved his innocence to this world. Through this book, you will get to know about one of the industrious organizations in our country, ISRO, how it was built inch by inch. He was a real fighter who fought a case and won it. And this is an incredible book. I wish everyone to read. I may not suggest this book for the beginners, but still, once you started reading the previous suggested books, you can read this book. This is really impactful book I have ever read. And I want to something at the end. I want to admit something. This is not a typical book review, but I share my impression or the emotions of reading those books which I felt. I wish reading books is a habit which has to be inculcated in every one of us, and all these books triggered me to read more and more books. And that is why I felt like sharing this to people out there, and I wish the same for the listeners. And thank you for listening to this.